substrate. You can't see through tiles, but if you could, you'd see this technique gives the best support and protection to the tile. There are other steps to achieving good mortar coverage. The first is to key in a coat of mortar into the substrate with the flat side of the trowel. Then, add more mortar to the substrate and comb the mortar in straight lines, all going in one direction. Combing the trowel ridges in straight lines provides better distribution of the mortar. With rectangular tile, trowel ridges should go across the short direction of the tile. This allows better air release when you bed the tile. Be careful not to leave any voids along chalk lines or between tiles.